India. The very name evokes a sense of wonder, a tapestry woven from vibrant threads of history, culture, and spirituality. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sun-drenched beaches of the south, India is a land of breathtaking contrasts. Ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations, bustling megacities hum alongside tranquil villages, and a kaleidoscope of languages and dialects paint a vibrant picture of unity and diversity. Journey through the ages as we uncover the layers of this ancient land, exploring the remnants of empires long gone and the echoes of civilizations that thrived millennia ago. We will encounter emperors and ascetics, witness the birth of religions and the rise of artistic movements. This is India, a land where every corner whispers tales of a glorious past and a vibrant present. Prepare to be captivated by the rhythmic pulse of life, the intoxicating aromas of 1,000 spices, and the sheer exuberance of a nation that embraces its heritage with open arms. Come, let us embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of India. Our journey begins in the mists of time, thousands of years ago, in the fertile plains of the Indus River Valley. Here, amidst the ruins of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, lies evidence of one of the world's earliest urban civilizations. Dating back to 3300 BCE, the Indus Valley civilization was a marvel of urban planning and engineering. These ancient cities boasted sophisticated drainage systems, public baths, and granaries, indicating a highly organized and advanced society. The discovery of standardized weights and measures, intricate seals with enigmatic script, and exquisite terracotta figurines hint at a thriving trade network and a rich cultural life. The Indus people were skilled artisans, crafting exquisite jewelry from gold, silver, and precious stones. Their pottery, adorned with intricate geometric patterns and animal motifs, speaks volumes about their artistic sensibilities. Though the Indus script remains undeciphered, their legacy lives on in the echoes of their remarkable civilization. Centuries later, as the Indus Valley civilization faded into the annals of time, a new power rose to prominence in the Indian subcontinent, the Gupta Empire. Ruling from the 4th to the 6th century CE, the Guptas ushered in a golden age of peace, prosperity, and unparalleled cultural efflorescence. This era witnessed a renaissance in art, literature, science, and mathematics. The Gupta period saw the flowering of Sanskrit literature, with renowned poets and playwrights like Kalidasa gracing the royal courts. His masterpiece, the play Shakuntala, is a timeless love story that continues to enchant audiences even today. The Guptas were patrons of the arts, and their reign saw the creation of exquisite sculptures and intricate cave paintings. The Ajanta and Ellora caves, adorned with breathtaking murals depicting Buddhist themes, stand as a testament to the artistic brilliance of this era. In the realm of science, the Guptas made significant strides. Aryabhata, a renowned mathematician and astronomer, calculated the value of pi and proposed the heliocentric theory centuries before Copernicus. The invention of the decimal system, a cornerstone of modern mathematics, can also be traced back to this intellectually vibrant era. The Indian subcontinent witnessed the rise and fall of numerous dynasties. In the 16th century, the Mughals, descendants of Genghis Khan, established a vast empire in India. The Mughal era left an indelible mark on India's cultural landscape. This is best exemplified in their architectural marvels. The Taj Mahal, built by Shah Jahan, stands as an eternal testament to love and architectural genius. While the Mughal Empire brought about a period of relative peace and prosperity, the seeds of discontent were sown in the 18th century with the arrival of the British East India Company. What began as a trading venture gradually transformed into political domination, and by the mid-19th century, India found itself under the firm grip of British colonial rule. However, the spirit of India refused to be subdued. The yearning for freedom ignited a mass movement that transcended religious, linguistic, and regional barriers. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel emerged, rallying the masses and leading a non-violent struggle against colonial oppression. From the Salt Satyagraha to the Quit India movement, the Indian independence movement gained momentum, capturing the world's attention and inspiring generations to come. Finally, on August 15, 1947, India achieved its long-cherished dream of freedom, ushering in a new era of hope and self-determination. India rising, a new millennium dawns. The early years of independence were marked by challenges as India grappled with the legacy of colonialism, partition, and widespread poverty. However, the world's largest democracy embarked on an ambitious journey of nation-building, establishing institutions that reflected its secular, socialist, and democratic ideals. The latter part of the 20th century witnessed significant strides in agriculture, industry, and technology. India's Green Revolution transformed the nation from a food-importing nation to a self-sufficient agricultural powerhouse. The liberalization of the economy in 1991 unleashed the forces of entrepreneurship and innovation, propelling India into the league of emerging global economies. The rise of the IT industry propelled India onto the global stage, with Bangalore emerging as a global hub for technology and innovation. Today, India stands as a vibrant democracy, a land of immense potential and possibilities. A tapestry of traditions, dance, music, and festivities. India's cultural heritage is as diverse and vibrant as its geographical landscape. From the snow-clad Himalayas to the sun-drenched beaches of the south, every region boasts its unique traditions of dance, music, and festivals. Classical dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Odissi, and Kuchipudi, with their intricate mudras, those are hand gestures, and expressive movements, narrate ancient tales and evoke a myriad of emotions. Folk dances, deeply rooted in local traditions, provide a glimpse into the daily lives and beliefs of people from different regions. Bhangra from Punjab, Garba from Gujarat, and Bihu from Assam are just a few examples of the vibrant tapestry of folk traditions that continue to thrive in modern India. Music, an integral part of Indian culture, transcends geographical boundaries and permeates every aspect of life. From the soulful strains of Hindustani and Carnatic classical music to the foot-tapping beats of Bollywood, Indian music has something to offer every taste. Festivals, an intrinsic part of Indian life, offer a glimpse into the country's rich cultural tapestry. Diwali, the festival of lights, Holi, the festival of colors, and Eid al-Fitr, marking the end of Ramadan, are celebrated with great fervor and enthusiasm across the country. A culinary journey, flavors from every corner. No exploration of India would be complete without a tantalizing journey through its diverse culinary landscape. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sun-drenched beaches of the south, every region of India boasts a unique culinary repertoire, a symphony of flavors and aromas that reflect its history, geography, and cultural influences. In the north, where Mughal influences are prominent, rich, creamy curries, succulent kebabs, and fragrant biryanis reign supreme. The use of aromatic spices like cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves infuses the dishes with a distinctive warmth and depth of flavor. Venture south, and you'll encounter a fiery symphony of flavors. Rice takes center stage, accompanied by an array of tangy, spicy curries made with coconut milk, tamarind, and a medley of fresh herbs and spices. Along the western coast, seafood takes center stage. Freshly caught fish, prawns, and crabs are transformed into flavorful curries, grilled to perfection, or cooked with coconut milk and tangy kokum. Head east, and you'll enter a world of subtle flavors and fermented delights. From the delicate flavors of Bengali fish curry to the tangy, spicy flavors of Assamese masotenga, Eastern India offers a unique culinary experience. India, a timeless tapestry. India, a land of ancient wisdom, vibrant traditions, and boundless energy, continues to evolve, embracing the future while cherishing its rich heritage. From the towering Himalayas to the sun-drenched beaches, from bustling megacities to tranquil villages, India is a land of breathtaking contrasts and enduring spirit. Throughout its long and illustrious history, India has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the birth of religions, and the flourishing of art, science, and culture. It has absorbed influences from across the globe, weaving them into its own unique tapestry of traditions. Today, as India emerges as a global power, it carries with it the wisdom of its ancient past and the dynamism of its youthful population. The journey through India is an unforgettable experience, a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and flavors. It is a journey that stays with you long after you've left its shores, a testament to the enduring spirit of a nation that continues to inspire and captivate the world.